Good morning, everyone. John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily What Sold video. And these are the postcards that sold on eBay on February 10th, 2022. As you can see on the screen, 18 orders for $205. Had one order on HIP for $5.99. So we'll call it $211 on the day. Let's go ahead and get started. Now these first postcards, if you remember from yesterday's video, there was a buyer who bought a whole bunch of, in the video I said he bought a whole bunch, but only one showed up as what sold that day. These are the other ones that sold. I was curious if they were collecting postcards that had railroad tracks down the center of the street. And this is the first one. The remaining ones that they bought, God, horrible condition. Does have the railroad tracks or trolley car tracks going down the center of the street. So there's one or two that he collected that way. $5.99 for that card. And this is another one that person bought. So maybe they just like the street views of small Pennsylvania towns. This is St. Clair. I don't think I told you what the last card was. This one is St. Clair Main Street pre-1920s. $8.49 for this card. Let's go back and look at the other one. This was Lebanon, Pennsylvania, Cumberland Street, East View, with the bad damage for $5.99. This is another one they bought. This is Annville, Pennsylvania, Main Street View, Rexall Drugs, Mobile Gas. Someone in the comments the other day asked me about keywords, and I told them obviously you use, what the title of the card is, but then also look in the background for keywords: Rexall Drug, Mobile Gas, old cars, stuff like that. So look to the background to help you get a good title. $7.99 for this card. Person also bought this one. This is Cressona, First National Bank, circa 1912 pub, which is published by Stein's Variety Store. Up there's the variety store information. Paid 30 cents from the dealer that passed away. $11.79. So they like street views and banks. Next one is Pawtucket, Rhode Island, fire truck engine number 11937, Ahern's Fox Pumper, or Ahern's, however you pronounce that. There's that, and that sold for $6.99. Next we have Uss Kidd. This is from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, World War II Navy ship. It's a destroyer. This is continental size. Came in the auction lot that I bought in August of 2021. Paid literally pennies for the card. Sold for $1.99. At that price, I make, 80 cents to $1, which I'm fine with. Not much work for 80 cents to $1. And this is Rutherford, New Jersey, Crittenton, Vaudeville Theater, Fire Station, Elks Home. Always working if you find one of these theaters and it says vaudeville, or you think it's vaudeville, write vaudeville. People look for that specifically. Best offer of $17. This is Newport News, Virginia, Beef Eater Room, Restaurant Interior, King James Motel. That's what screams 60s, 70s interior. $5 best offer. Large letter greetings from Pahonix, or Phoenix, Arizona, 1939. Nice, pretty card. I love the large letter greetings. If I collected anything beyond my hometown and Matthew Kirst Halloween cards, I'd get back into collecting large letter greetings. $5.99 for that card. This is Pawtucket Memorial Hospital, pre-1920s. This is in Rhode Island. I had multiple copies of this card. $3.49. Person bought 6. I actually only had 5 copies. One had sold, or I miscounted, and it was never updated to say 5. So I obviously refunded the $3.49, and then I added some more to the refund to hopefully make up for my mistake, and I sent them a message, and I sent them a message in the refund also. So 5 of those cards went to that one buyer. This is Harvard, Massachusetts, Bear Hill Pond, Worcester Girl Scout Camp Mess Hall, I think I say 1940s. I think it might be earlier than that. $20 on a best offer. Girl Scout, Boy Scouts, definitely Bolo cards. This is Ellicott City, Maryland, the Enchanted Forest, the Crooked House. This is a defunct amusement park that was in Ellicott City, Maryland. I'm not sure exactly when it closed, but I think it's a housing development now. $9.99. These cards used to sell for a lot better, $15, $17, and it seems like $7 to $9 to $10 is what I've been getting for them. But keep an eye out for defunct amusement parks. This is Athens, Alabama, Town and Country Motel, restaurant vintage. Probably 1970s, early 60s, or late 60s, $6.99. This is Lock Haven, Pennsylvania, Lava House, McHalton. I don't know. Damn works. So this is the channel of mispronunciations. $5.99 for that card. Same buyer got this one, Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. This is the Lock Haven Motel. And that went for $5.99 also. This is what, Coloma, Michigan, entrance Deer Forest, another defunct roadside park. And that went for $4.99 on a best offer. Kentucky Stagecoach, Burnside, Monticello, Stage Line, Kentucky, 1910s. Sold on a best offer for $10. Got this at the York Postcard Fair. I almost said club, but it's the show in York. Paid 80 cents for that card. Dallas, Texas, President Kennedy's assassination site. I actually have more of these, so we will relist that. $1.99. Like I said, I make about $1 on those. This is an ad postcard. Delivery trucks Phil Long Ford dealership, Colorado Springs, Colorado. Those 1970s trucks. And $15.99. And it sold for that. These are normally $8, $9 cards, but since this is associated with a known dealership, a little bit more money for that. And then the same buyer, Brandon, thank you for supporting the channel by buying some postcards. So Brandon watches the YouTube videos, thank you, and he bought all these Santa Clauses. This is the patriotic Uncle Sam Santa Claus done by the local Frederick area, Maryland artist, Shirley Kemp. And there's this one of Uncle Sam Santa on a reindeer. Here's one of him getting escorted off of the White House lawn by the Marines. And then there's this one of Uncle Sam Santa as a baseball player walking through the snow. What's that? National Postcard Convention. And then one for the more Latin, which is Lancaster Postcard Show. He's driving a train. And here he's playing the bass drum. This artist, Shirley Kemp, was a fantastic artist. And all for $2.99, so thank you again for the purchase. And then the one loan card over on HIP. This is Missouri, Kansas City, seen on Cliff Drive. Had this for quite a while. Or had it listed for quite a while, but eventually someone wanted it for $5.99. Okay, that's it. I apologize for the clickbait stupid video yesterday. That was just a one-off. I don't like doing those clickbaity things, but I did the video, and I don't know what I'm going to do with the stuff. I don't want to deal with selling it. I don't want to deal with really meeting people to, to get rid of it. I just want to get rid of it. I'm over it. So I will probably dump that off this weekend. Okay, that's it. I thank you all for watching, and thank you for your support.